everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 expressions slash phrases slash constructions that you can use to express certainty in Romanian. Well, theoretically there are more than 10, but I've kind of grouped them together because they're similar or synonymous. Anyways, let's begin. Sunt absolut sigur. Sunt absolut sigură. Sunt ferm convins. Sunt ferm convinsă. Am certitudinea că. Am convingerea că. Nu am niciun dubiu. Sigur că da. Sigur că nu. Fără îndoială. Fără nicio urmă de îndoială. Fără dar și poate. În mod sigur. În mod cert. Cu certitudine. Cu siguranță. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy. Ba, ba, ba.